Hello everybody, let's start today with the gold chart. Lots of action there today. So we were looking at this potential deep crab harmonic pattern. So this one is already playing out nicely. So this is a valid pattern even at the low of today, and it can go down all the way to this region, which is around the $1,700 region. So we are in the buy zone, which I mentioned already a few weeks before. So we did retrace to the 0.618 retracement. So this is taken from this low from the 31st of March to this high at point B. Also nice selling volume. What I see that often happens is that when you have a lot of selling volume, so a lot of people are selling, and then the next or a few candles later, they just push price even further down. For example, here you can see it. You see it everywhere, also in crypto. So here you have high selling volume, and then price goes up a bit the next candle, and then we go further down. So I think we will see something similar over here. Here you have the same price action. So a lot of selling on this long candle, and look, the next day we push more down, and 5 or 6 days later even further down. So that's also what I expect for the coming days. So I did put my buy order a bit lower. So maybe we see the bottom of this golden zone, which is at 1,760. Or if we take the, not this one, the volume by price to the low from point A to point B, then we have the point of control around 1,730. So that can also be a possible option where price might go to. So anyway, as long as we stay above the 1,700 region, we have this valid deep crab, and then we're looking up to prices of 2,130, more or less, that region. Good, so that's it for gold. Then silver did also go down together with gold. Also here we're slowly coming into the buy zone. So I did mention 26 to 25.5 before. So let's see the low of today, 25.77. So that's perfectly in the range. Also the same here. I'm looking maybe to buy tomorrow when we go really down into the golden pocket. Also some selling volume, not much. So I think it's clear for silver that it's really a bullish structure. You see that there's not so much selling volume. It's more than average, but it still looks good. I think this one will recover quite fast. Also here for the harmonic pattern, we can go down to the 0.886, but we will see where we form the bottom, and then we can take it from there. So this resistance zone, this one we can delete. Okay. That's it for the precious metals. So S&P 500. Yeah, also not much to mention there. Still struggling with those highs. So we did recover a bit from yesterday. We did go again down the point of control and it got bought up. So, but as I mentioned yesterday, it doesn't matter where you pull the volume by price from. It really shows that most of the buying was done actually in the past week. At this 4,200 level, it's quite incredible. I think if this one goes down, then a lot of people will lose money. But okay, we will see how that one will develop. Bitcoin dominance, we lost 0.5%, so actually we're quite stable. Bitcoin, oof, that's a lot of drawings on the daily chart, so let's take them away. So we're still a bit down, minus 1.64 for the moment. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. So there we go. Take profit 1 is reached. The 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, which is the take profit 1 for this bearish shark harmonic pattern. So if we go further down, so maybe here the white line, which is the previous resistance from this parallel channel or the triangle, as you wish, and yeah, then the last support zone might be the 34,700 region. But if we bounce from here, that would be really bullish. So this is a red rectangle we can remove. Our top was in here at point D, so that's clear now. We still have this dead cross. Let's see how that one is doing. Well, we don't have it yet. So we have this blue line and the red line. The blue line did not cross under the red line. But as I mentioned before, don't give any value to these kind of crosses. They might work, they might not work out. It's how much was it? The 50-day moving average, which is crossing the 200. So you're looking at average data from the past the past 50 days and the past 200 days. So it's really lagging. So don't give too much value to that. It doesn't make sense. So for the indicator trading, we're still in the buy zone. Then we have Ethereum. Also there the trigger line is coming down again, which is good. So that means that if we get the buy signal, we get it earlier than last week, for example. So it means we will have our losses will be less compared to last week. Bitcoin Cash down again, and it looks like we're slightly in profit because we're just below the close of the candle where we got the sell signal. And then XRP, yesterday we got the sell signal, and it looks also that we're a little bit below. And then there's one left, and that is Tezos. Tezos had a very nice pump. plus 7.63%. So this is quite atypical. While the other altcoins are down, Tezos was up. So that's a nice one to follow up. Before going to our trading portfolio, I just want to go over the harmonic pattern trading we have on the Euro-Hungarian forint, because that one is doing really good. So if we switch on the harmonic pattern indicator, so this one did really well. So I bought at the bottom of the red candle, and we are now up 2.87%. So this one is really good. Microsoft, this one did pump today a bit. So yeah, I will see how it goes tomorrow. Because maybe this looks like one we're gonna have to close out. And then we had Marathon Oil, also very nice rejection today, so minus 5.64%. So really nice. Okay, now let's go to our Bybit account and let's see. So for Bitcoin, we're $37 underwater. And what I forgot to mention yesterday is that I did put a buy order at, let's see, at 35,311.5. And so again, for a quantity of 1,000 US dollars. So where does this come from? This is actually the trigger line we currently have. So let's maximize this one. So 35,311.5, there we go, that's the trigger line. So I expect, well, I don't expect it, but if it would happen that we go through this level and then everything gets bought up and then we go all the way up again, then I get picked up for another $1,000 long. So in that case I'll be 2x long, and that's it then for me. Then I'm good to go. And then along the way I can take profit on this extra $1,000. I can take profit whenever I want. Then I still, if I have taken the full 1,000 as profit, then I'm still in my other $1,000 long. So I'm still 1x long then, so I'm fine with that. Let's go over the other coins. So Ethereum, since we are in a short, $6.50 profit. XRP 4.91, and then we have Bitcoin Cash and Tezos. And this will take again ages to load. This is really incredible. Let's go to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So yesterday we were at 33, today at 26, and the next refresh is in 3 hours, so probably this will go even lower because we dropped today again. And then we have the Fear and Greed Index for the stock market. So we are now at 42 and yesterday 45. So people are getting again a bit more bearish. And it looks like this one doesn't want to load anymore. Right, okay. Then I will keep this one for tomorrow. All right, that's it for today. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.